This is a quick and dirty teardown of the Nitecore Tini2 keychain flashlight. It's held together with a plastic mid-frame. As you can see here, there's a USB-C charging port with waterproof flap on one side. The PCB is itself a flex cable, which is interesting. Two LEDs at the top. Lens assembly may slide in over here. Not sure. Small pouch cell battery. A little bit of a heat sink there for the LEDs, which attaches to the back metal piece. The front and rear metal pieces are just held in by 3 screws. They're pretty thin. Here's the front. The buttons themselves are held in by this tiny little glued wire. The screen has this bit of a foam dust seal, but it doesn't work too well, which is why I took mine apart. You have 5 of the same screw, but on one end you have a different screw with a larger head size to hold in the keychain ring post. That end, I'm not sure if it's very waterproof, so this thing I don't think would be waterproof. The construction's pretty interesting, especially because of how they crammed it all in. This part of the ribbon cable is not actually a connector, it's just part of the ribbon cable. It's still functional as is in here, so I can try and wake it and all that. And along the side, you can see the ribbon cable flexes around so it has more room for components. Small inductor, controller chip. Since it's actually pretty hard to tear it down any further, I'm going to stop here. But thank you for watching.